Alright, so now I'm going to just give her some shirts for the sports. I'm going to the shirts, all the clothes, and I will just choose the shirts, something that's suitable for sports. I choose the essential clothing and scroll down, find something that's suitable for sports. Just for example, I choose the tank top. I double click it. It is automatically downloaded. I double click it, then fit the body shape. I click OK. Default. Alright, now next I'm going to give her a pant. I will just choose from here. Pant. I choose a pant that's suitable for sports. Here I choose the essential clothing. Scroll down. Alright, I better choose a normal shorts for her. Just need a normal shirt or just a skirt. I choose the skirt. Essential clothing. Okay, I choose the mini skirt A. Drag and drop. Keep the cloth shape. Click OK. Alright, now next is the sport shoes. I will just choose it from shoes. Scroll down. Pick a sport shoes. Or you can choose a sport sneakers. It is up to you. I choose the essential clothing. Scroll down to I try to find some sneakers or sport shoes. Double click and have a look. Download it. Apply. Okay, now it already have a sport shoes. So now I'm going to just export it as iAvatar from the CC5. Export it as iClone avatar. So I click File, save the project as on my desktop, the Avatar 01 Sport CC project. I click Save. Now I save it as a CC project first, so that when next time I still can come back here to edit the whole avatar. Now I click File, Export, iAvatar, what we call the iClone avatar, export as iClone avatar, export, and I will export it on my desktop as well. The file name is avatar01 sports.iavatar. I click Save. Now you already have the avatar01 sport.iavatar. So for this costume, it already suitable for the sports. You can change the cloth color as well. If you go to the material tab, double click the shirt. Now this is green color. I can just right click the diffuse, adjust the color. I can change the hue so that it can change to other colors. It is really easy. Alright. Then if you want to finalize it, you can just export the iAvatar again. So as demo, I will just maintain it use the iAvatar, the iClone avatar that already exported just now. Alright.